tools for writing and running codes. We will go over a few tools that may be able to write and execute Python code below. You can select the right tool based on the requirements. Of course, I personally suggest the VScode for beginners because it's incredibly strong, easy to use, and requires very little setting. And the third one is default interactive environments. When we run the command prompt or PowerShell program on the Windows or terminal program on macOS and Linux, type Python and hit the enter key. We will enter the interactive environment after executing the command. In the so-called interactive environment, you can type a line of code and hit the enter key to start running it right away. So in the event that code generates results, the window will display the result as indicated below. When we hit enter, then we will show the Python and version of it. The next one we will try the 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4 plus 1 is 5. And to assist a Python interactive environment, type assist or quit to press and press enter. You can also use a shortcut like Ctrl S, key combination on Windows, or Ctrl D, key combination on macOS or Linux to assist Python interactive environments, like below. The next one is VScode. VScode is product of Microsoft. Microsoft created Studio Code, an application for editing code that works with Linux, macOS, and Windows. It can support several programming languages and has a number of useful features like run debugging, multi-point editing, auto auto-completion, and syntax highlighting. It is strongly advised that you use Visual Studio Code if you want a powerful text editing tool. We can find a download link from the VScode official website, VScode, like code.visualstudio.com, so downloads. And after you install the VScode, you will install the extension for Python and Python debugger. Extension support for Python provided by VScode, including syntax highlighting, code completion, and debugging. The Python extension for VScode is available from the VScode marketplace. The next one is Pycharm. Pycharm, if you use Python language to develop commercial projects, we recommend you to use a more professional tool Pycharm. Pycharm is an integrated in development environment provided by a CX company called Zebrace. For Python language, the so-called integrated development environment usually refers to a development tool that provides a series of powerful functions and convenient operations such as writing code, running code, debugging code, analyzing code, version control, and etc. So it is particularly suitable for development of commercial projects. We can find the download link from the Pycharm on the official website of JetBrains. Pycharm is available in two official versions: the community version edition, which is free and has a comparatively basic feature, but it more than adequate for novice, and the professional edition, which is paid for and has a lot of more features, strong but needs a yearly or monthly subscription. New users can test it out for free for 30 days. There are no issues with PyCharm installation. Install nearly on before setting by the running installation application that you got. In the next section, we will talk about the Hello World. So, why is Hello World? Industry standard is that the first program we write while learning any programming language is output Hello World. This because the code was created by legendary Dennis Ritchie, who is considered the creator of C language and collaborated with Ken Thompson to design a Unix operating system. The matching Python code for the first line of code proceeded by Ryan Cunningham, the creator of org language, described in their classic book, The C Programming Language. Print Hello World. There's just one statement in the code above. The print function name is used in this line to assert or output the required content. The parentheses around the string "Hello World" signify a text passage. In the Python language, a string can be represented by either a simple quote or double quote. Semicolons are not required to finish statements in Python code. In contrast to other programming languages like C, C++, or Java. In other words, all we have to do is enter a line fit to make another statement. The following code additionally, writing a name and main entry method is not necessary for Python code to execute. It necessary to provide an entrain function when writing executable and C, C++, or Java code. Although many programmers are aware with this, the Python language does not require it. You can see it. In order to run the Python program, we may also contact the Python interpreter directly if we are not using VScode. The code shown above can be saved in file called ax01.py. We presume that the file is located in C code. On a Windows system, to execute open PowerShell command prompt to type the following commands: Python C /ax01.py. For Mac OS system, assuming our files are in user sound the directory, we can enter the following command in the terminal run the program, like Python 3 user sang ax01.py. We can bring the file directly to the command prompt or terminal if the path is too lengthy and you do not want to enter it by hand. In this case, the entire path will be typed automatically. To see what happens, you can try changing the code above which say "Hello World" by adding more easy kinds of statements or substituting either type for single quotes. I must remind everyone that it's preferable to write one statement per line while developing Python code. While we can write many statements in a single line by using semicolon as separator, doing so will render the code unreadable and extremely ungrace. The next one is common code. In order to improve code readability, comments play a crucial function in programming languages. They serve to clarify purpose of code within the code. Naturally, we can also add comments to the code segments that do not need to run momentarily, allowing you to simply delete the command symbols when you need to initialize the code again. To put it simply, comments simplify the code but have no bearing on how the code is executed. There are two forms of comments in the Python. Single line comments with sats, starting with sats with a and a space, you can comment out the entire line from the beginning, like this one. Multi-line comments start with three quotation marks, usually double quotation marks, and with three quotation marks, usually used to add multiple lines explanatory content. The next section, we will talk about variables.